Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the new blower charts for the G7 single stage furnace and the little bit differences that you'll see in the install instructions when trying to set your blower speed. So let's take a look. The first thing I want to point out is that we have now separated the heating and the cooling side of the furnace into two separate tables. So the first table we'll take a look at is the heating table, and at the top we have rated the furnace up to a 0.5 on the duct static pressure and giving you the CFM value for that in relation to blower speed and the duct static pressure. So that's something that's a little bit different than the old one where it was all the way up to a 0.8. Also on the heating table, you will see some of the cells grayed out. For example, on the table that we're looking at is on the G7 SA 72,000 BTU furnace. On high speed and low speed, you will see the cells grayed out. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't use the high or the low speed. We just weren't able to put a CFM value with that in order to comply with FER. The next table is the cooling table. This is going to look very similar. It's pretty much set up the same as the older generation blower chart. The duct static will range from a 0.1 all the way up to a 0.8, and we give you CFM values for that in correlation with the blower settings. You can use any of the 5 speeds that you will see on the blower chart. Again, we're adding a 5th speed, and that can be switched up on the actual motor plug just by moving one of your blower motor speed wires around in order to get, say, like the number 3 speed if you wanted a medium speed for CFM. And those are the new blower charts for the new single stage G7 furnaces. Thanks for watching. You can find more tips on edgetechhvac.com.